7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the lucky one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see.
Hi, it's me, Corazon. It is absolutely my pleasure to wish our very own and lovely Mercedita happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pag! Miss
Happy
you.
birthday!
Love na love ka namin.
Siya yung inumin, siya yung pulutan.
Padala ka naman dito.
Happy birthday, sister. May you have many more birthdays to come and many food to eat. Happy birthday ulit. Sana maligaya ka ngayong karawang March 2026. More success. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Mommy Verse. Kasabay, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kahit sintonado yan, pasado yan. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh, bakit kan aginom ka lata. Sana marami kang pang birthday dumating. Umunlad ang negosyo mo. Marami ka pang matulungan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday kabagay Mercy 60 birthday sa sapay kumakat adopay birthday nga sompet para king ka ken awan ti mare na nga madi kasla sakit kasjay.
Hello ate, today is your special day. Happy birthday. Ito lang masasabi ko sa iyo. I wish you good luck, good health, and God bless. Short lang ha. Baka umiyak ka kasi pag marami akong sinabi. Pero anyway, ikaw, isa ka sa mabait na kapatid ko. Again, happy birthday. Hindi ako nagpa-video kasi hindi ako maganda. Bye-bye. Be happy. Enjoy. Today is your birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Mercy. I wish you all the best things in life. Stay healthy, stay gorgeous and sexy. Bye!
Mercy, happy birthday. Sumabay ka pa sa dollar nung naging senior citizen ng dollar. Senior citizen ka na rin. Dual citizen ka na, madadagdagan ang i-enjoyin mo. Hindi lang yung pagpupunta-punta sa beach, pati yung 20% senior discount mo, i-enjoyin mo na. Patuloy lang na lagi kang masaya at tumatawa. Kaya lagi kang bumabata. Kahit na 60 years old ka na, parang 59 years old ka lang dahil sa pagtawa. Ganun na lang. Happy birthday.
Isang pinagpalang araw sa iyo, maganda kong kapatid. Ako at ang aking buong pamilya ay taus-pusong bumabati sa iyo ng ika-60 taon na kaarawan. Naway marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Senior ka na. Yan. Kailangan na mag-ingat sa sarili. Muli, ako ay bumabati ng 68th birthday. Happy senior. God bless.
Yo, hello ante, happy 60th birthday to you. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo and wish you all the best, more birthdays to come, and God bless you always. Dahil dyan, meron kang 5 pitik at 2 soft moves.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.
Magandang araw para sa iyo, Mercedita Ilarte Aleo. Ako ay taus-pusong bumabati sa ika-60 kaarawan mo. Sana ay sumaya ka at humaba pa ang iyong buhay. Ayun lang.
Happy birthday, Mommy Shy. I love you.
Happy birthday, ma. Senior discount is waiving. More birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday.